Hi, new series here on language explorations, 5 English language misuses and grammar errors. Mostly related to American English here since that is my native language. All right, in no particular order here. Number 1, lay down versus lie down. Lay down, lay itself rather, is a transitive verb. So that means it takes a direct object. So you have to lay a book on the table, but you cannot lay down. You must lie down. I suppose you could lay your body down. There's probably some song lyric about that. And if you really want to get into this, by the way, free plug for Richard Lederer and Richard Dowis, Sleeping Dogs Don't Lay, that's no lie. Check out that book. It's probably still in print. I don't know. It's really fun if you're a fellow grammar nerd. All right, number 2, near miss versus near hit. In the dictionary, at least, near miss usually means to have narrowly avoided something. But if you get into the semantics of it, for me at least when I hear near miss, I think of something actually having collided, having hit. You nearly missed, which means you hit. Now, does that make any sense? I hope so. Maybe we can start to change the dictionary definition of it. This isn't something that keeps me up at night, but it's something I've noticed that's maybe is a peculiarity of English. Near miss, to me, means to have actually hit instead of having narrowly avoided something. Number 3, I'm probably going to get some pushback on this one in some parts of the U.S., if you happen to see this video. Number 3 is caramel versus caramel. I say caramel, always said caramel, because if I say caramel, I'm thinking of Carmelite nuns. When I think of caramel, I don't think of burnt sugar and cream and water. That's caramel. That's the right version, if you ask me. My opinion's the correct one, right? What do you think let me know in the comments section. Number 4, notorious. The use of notorious specifically as something good. Because if you look it up in the dictionary, notorious usually has a bad connotation to it. So you wouldn't say Granny is notorious for her apple pie. Granny, rather, is noteworthy for her delicious apple pie. So noteworthy for bad stuff, scratch that. Notorious for bad stuff, noteworthy, notorious, noteworthy. And the last one, anhistoric. I don't hear this too often, but I think people are tempted to say anhistoric because maybe they think it kind of flows off the tongue better. Anhistoric. But historic, the H in that word is a aspirated H. So you'd want to say ahistoric. You wouldn't say anhistoric. There might be precedent for this, I don't know. I would say ahistoric, frankly. In French, for example, historique, it's not an aspirated H. You would say un historique, a historic something or other. Can you think of any examples of English language misuses and grammar errors? I don't know. Let me know what you think of these in the comments section. Check out my other series that I've done pretty recently. I've done 3 parts of this 5 English language redundancies I wish we